Kumshibanta ban pensuk ya ka Pyntreikam khamtam ha ka bayadei ber ka jing pentrei ya ki project ba pher ha Nongbah Shillong umintri rang ba ka Jylla ukon rat sangma hne ka sngi la penbana ba ka sarkar Jylla ka thmu ban le da ka drone mapping ha barok ka ka sor Shillong shu lai thu ru ba lengba ka drone mapping kan pensuk ya ka sarkar Pyntreikam khamtam la da don ki project ban Pyntreikam ha ka ni ka Nongbah Shillong ya kani menteri rang ba la penbana ha ka sngi ba la pelan ya ka map jong ka dong dum ka bala pelong ha sin John Whitehall.
I would like to thank the locality for coming out with this map. It's really a very great initiative, and other localities should also follow in the same lines. But I would also like to inform everyone that we have already started the process of drone mapping the whole of Shillong city. And which means that even up to the micro details of 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter also will be able to tell exactly where the tree is, where the poles are. And this mapping will obviously help in the overall better planning of future projects in Shillong city, and also allow us to handle situations in the future also when they come and as they come. So this is a great initiative, and as a government I just wanted to inform you that we will be going ahead with the drone mapping, and I hope the process should be over within the next quarter of actually the entire drone mapping of Shillong city.